In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync contacts between Zoho CRM and Zoho Marketing Automation. To get started, you will need to open Zoho Marketing Automation. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace or account that you want to connect. When you open the platform, you should land on your main dashboard or home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the top navigation area, because the next few clicks happen inside the settings section. Now open Zoho Marketing Automation. Look for the Settings option in the interface. In many Zoho apps, Settings is placed in the main menu so that you can easily reach configuration tools. You want to access the area where apps and integrations are managed. Once you have found Settings, go to Settings, then move to Apps. This Apps area is where Zoho keeps track of which external services you can connect. You will typically see a list of available integrations or connected services. The goal here is to enable the connection to Zoho CRM so contacts can flow between the two systems. After you enter Settings and then Apps, scan for the option related to Zoho CRM. You are looking for a selection that specifically mentions Zoho CRM, since that is what will control the sync behavior. Next, select Zoho CRM. When you click the Zoho CRM option, the interface should guide you into the sync setup. This step matters because it defines the source system for the contacts you want to synchronize. If you have multiple apps, selecting the right one prevents confusion later when you initiate the sync. After selecting Zoho CRM, click Create Sync. This action starts the process of creating a new synchronization rule. Creating a sync does not mean contacts are syncing yet. It means you are telling Zoho Marketing Automation which records you want to keep in sync and which direction the data will relate to. When you click Create Sync, watch for a form or a setup panel that prompts you to choose what type of data to synchronize. Now choose Contacts. This is the specific dataset you want to sync between Zoho CRM and Zoho Marketing Automation. Contacts are usually the foundation for marketing audiences, segmentation, and personalized communication. So syncing contacts helps ensure that your marketing lists stay aligned with your CRM data. When you select Contacts, the setup screen should reflect your choice, often by updating a label or enabling the next action. Finally, click Initiate. This is the step that begins the sync process. Depending on your account configuration and the size of your contact list, it may take a short moment to start. During this time, keep an eye on the sync status message or progress indicator if it appears on screen. The important thing is that you should not interrupt the process. Once Initiate is clicked, Zoho will begin connecting the CRM contacts to the appropriate marketing automation context. To close out this setup, stay on the page long enough to confirm that the initiation has been accepted. Look for a confirmation, a status update, or a change in the sync state from not started to running, or something similar. If you see any options for reviewing the sync, take a quick glance to ensure it is set to contacts and linked to Zoho CRM, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.